Yes. How many of you read newspaper? Nasema hivi, ODM big divide. Hapo mbele. The Orange Party formed by Raila Odinga 20 years ago, yesterday staged 2 parallel political meetings in Nairobi as clerks widened, while Oburu Odinga sought to tighten his grip at the delegates' convention. Deviant Secretary General Edwin Sifuna led rival group chanting its own party. ODM party Oburu Odinga engages with participants during the special delegate convention in Jamhuri Grounds in Nairobi yesterday. Embakasi East Babu Wino. ODM Secretary Edwin Sifuna Siaya Government James Arengo at Ufungano House, Nairobi. Ishaenda. ODM ishaenda. Nakwambia Elio mtu avunje parties. It doesn't care about parties. Now he wants to party. UDA, ODM. We want power. That is the motive. And power is in ODM. Controversial. Anyway, don't forget. Acha hata mimi nianze kukuwa prepared. Nikuwe kadi.